Welcome to my channel, exploring old technologies and seeding new ideas. Let's begin.
During Part 1, we started an investigation to explore whether a small keyboard paired with a tablet could represent a viable alternative to a laptop for day-to-day use. To keep Part 2's results current, we chose to unbox and configure a low-cost modern tablet to mate with XIT's mini Bluetooth keyboard. This video concludes with a few quick tests of the paired devices. So, this will be a quick unboxing of a new Galaxy Tab 8. The items will be identified as they come out. First out will be a cover unit, then the tablet itself, leaving the power supply and memory extraction device for last. A connection cable is included for the power unit. Remove the lid from the box and take out the cover. Unwrapped, it folds out to accept the tablet in its cradling area. Next, remove the tablet and its protective sleeve. Finally, position the cover to have its camera hole in the proper position. Next, take the 5V 1.55 amp power unit and plug it into the tablet. We are now ready to set up the Galaxy Tab 8. Anytime you start a new device, you must first acknowledge and agree to the device's legal terms as presented. I then connected to my Wi-Fi network and signed in. After doing some updating, an option was presented to copy my apps and data from an old device. Then I needed to sign into my Google account with my email and password. An opportunity for two-step verification was then offered. Upon accepting Google's terms, I selected from the services offered. This included various protection methods. The simplest was a personalized custom pattern. Following a few additional screens, I needed to sign into my Samsung account with a PIN number sent to my smartphone. Success was demonstrated by the first appearance of a colorful startup screen. While exploring the device, application updates downloaded in the background, finalizing the process. We continue the Galaxy Tab setup and turn on the Bluetooth function. We then open up the mini keyboard and pair one of the first 3 possible channels to the tablet. We plan to use the other 2 pairing channels on other displays later. After pairing, we will check the keyboard by typing in a few words. Next, to check the touchpad, we'll download a digital paint application called Sketchbook from the internet. To avoid sleep mode, the tablet's display on time is set to 30 minutes. We are now ready to launch Sketchbook and try some drawings. Finally, we will experiment with this combination to determine what applications it might substitute a laptop and report back in Part 3.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.